What's going on? So today we got a video from the Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is entitled "Teen Regrets Abusing Parents When Police Show Up." Ooh-wee, they gonna get you together. You hitting on the parents? Okay, let's see what's gonna happen, man.
A brat picks a fight with the cops after trying to boss them around like she does her mother, only to learn it doesn't work here.
Well, no, maybe not. Tina?
Yes, hello.
Where's your daughter?
Right here.
Okay.
Brad, over here.
I want to make me leave. Yeah, I will. I want it. I want it.
Why don't you just come talk to us, please?
Do you know him? I don't know. Come here. Come inside.
Hold on. Okay. Just so you know, I am recording.
Just say, not
okay.
just say, this is your home.
What are we doing?
I'm making a statement that I have nothing.
Oh, okay, that's...
Yeah, because I want to get the out of here. I want to get out of Illinois.
I need to speak with you two separately.
Separately?
So one of
Why?
you's got to step out.
Together. We should speak together.
My TV busted my door in. I mean, she doesn't live here.
We should. We should
Okay.
speak together.
Do you want her removed? Does she live here?
Yeah, no, she don't live here.
Okay.
She don't live here? Okay, it's time to go.
Okay.
It's time to go.
What do you mean it's time to go? Hey, let me go. Let me go.
And I'm
want you to carry me
gonna
out.
step over here.
Carry me.
And I'm going to talk to Tina.
Carry me.
No, I'm
Carry
not
me
going
out.
to do that.
Brooke, stop. They're going to manhandle
What is the problem here?
What can you do for me?
What is your problem?
What is my problem?
Yes.
What's my problem? I don't need to tell you shit about my problem,
fantastic.
dude. My problem. You're my problem.
Okay.
Police. You're my problem.
Okay.
Yeah. You're my
in
problem.
just a
12.
moment, when
What's
she
going
signs a
on?
statement, I'm gonna remove
Tell me
you
what's
from
going
this
on, dude.
residence.
You're my problem.
Step over there and
For
speak
real.
to him.
You're my problem.
Step over there and speak to him.
Okay. For
And
what?
If you stick your
What's
hand in
those
my face
gloves
again,
for?
I'm going to detain you.
Detain me? I have a right to do this.
No, you don't.
What am I doing? Why am I fearing you?
Number one, you are in my space.
Number
while
one?
I'm trying to speak to her.
Number one?
I need her to go.
What the f you mean?
She's been.
I'm in your
Get over here and
space?
get her.
You're in my mama's
Get her out of my
house.
space. Come
You're
on,
in my
man.
mama's house.
She asked
Grab
us to
me.
be
Do
here.
it.
Step over
Do
here.
it. I want you to. See?
Step over here.
I won't touch you. You gonna bump me?
Yeah, but you can't boast up at the cop in a threatening manner, though. You know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna work out good for you.
All right, that's it.
I bet. I want my headphones though. It's my property.
Nope.
That is.
See?
I want to write a statement. I want to write a statement then.
Australia one resist.
I want to write a statement then. I want a statement then.
Get
I want my
cuffs.
headphones.
Get cuffs.
Headphones. Grab them. Get them. I didn't go to jail. I didn't do nothing. Let me go. I'll go then.
No.
Okay.
No, it's over now. You done.
Really,
put
Mom?
me.
Dude, quit. You're gonna break my wrist.
Stop resisting.
Okay, I'm pressing charges against
Stop
you.
resisting.
I'm pressing charges.
Well, that's exactly what I'm doing.
Okay, I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Hand it.
I'm not nothing. Okay. I want to make a phone call. I ain't making no phone call. I didn't do nothing. What is the charge? Mom, what's the charge? What's the charge?
Well, when I
have
step
rights.
past you and you
I'm not trying to
intentionally
yell at you. I'm
push
scared.
me,
I'm scared.
that's the charge.
Okay, I bumped you. I'm sorry.
Absolutely.
I bumped you.
And now you're going to get charged
You're on
for
a
it.
bump right now.
Let's go.
What's the charge?
Aggravated battery to a police officer.
Like, you're not really on
That's how she did to me, okay? She's my daughter, and I'm
Well,
sorry.
she's not going to shove me and get away with it, so.
She's got away with a lot, and I just can't take it anymore, okay?
Okay.
That's why I needed her to go. I don't mean, do you understand?
I understand that.
Okay.
Is there any way that I can get you to put on paper that you wanted her to leave?
Yes. No
And that
problem.
she did not live here?
Yes.
Okay.
No problem. I mean, I talked to you. I'm sorry.
Give me just one moment, okay?
Excuse me, sir? Yeah, no.
We are
Excuse
past
me?
that.
That's my property.
We were trying to talk to you.
I understand. Look,
Okay.
do you get mad? I do too. Okay, can we have a conversation? Because I want to be able to. You calm me down.
We're past the point of conversation.
I'm trying to even help you.
I tried to
Because
talk to
I
you.
am the most aggressive person you'll ever meet. I'm telling you. I want my property from that stupid bitch. Please. How's your mama? She raised you like a bitch. For real.
Hey, you want to open it?
Yeah, it's chapstick. Peanut butter.
Peanut butter chapstick?
No, but that's how I look at it, because I'm so into. So, yeah, it's not funny. Because this ain't fun. I know you probably think it is. It is fun to you.
No, this isn't fun.
It is fun to me, too.
You
because
walking out the door would
it's
have
fun
been
to
so
me
much
for
better.
only one reason.
Rather than
Not because I
shoving me.
like it, but because I want shit, even for you to grow. You shouldn't be taking my pockets, by the way, either. You have no right to do that.
You're being searched.
No,
I say this all the time. If you're new to the channel or if this is the first time watching me, then you don't know this, but my subscribers know this. Typically, mothers get along a lot better with their sons, right? Daughters get along a lot better with their fathers. Moms and daughters go at it a lot. Typically, the relationship gets better when they get older and they move out, you know, because now they're not under the same roof and stuff like that or whatever. But this right here looks like it's so past the point of return that it's a wrap. You know what I'm saying? You calling your mom the B word, this, that, whatever. Like, come on, man. You know what I'm saying? She's still, you know, you wouldn't be here if it wasn't for, you know, your mama. You know what I mean? Also, your daddy, too. Hey, mama can't do it on her own now. Daddy got to get up in there and, you know, do his thing. You know, shout out my fellas. You know what I mean? But, you know, and that's all fun and games and stuff. But hopefully they could get it together, man, because she ain't wrapped too tight. Her mental is off.
To arrest.
you should be doing that, though.
You are under arrest for
Motherfucking
aggravated battery to a
police
peace
place.
officer.
It was an accident,
Absolutely.
sir.
No, it was
what
not.
What did you do?
No, it was not.
What do you know? Can we actually have a conversation? I want my property, though.
I tried to.
Those headphones were bought
But I
for my...
stopped by to
my-
speak.
I got that for a
I
Christmas
stepped by to
present.
speak to your mother, and you decided to
I
shove
want my
me.
property.
Well,
I made a statement.
unfortunately, that's not going to
You
happen.
came on my private property.
Okay. It's not your property.
No, but it's private property, right?
It's her property, and
Right.
she asked us to be here.
Right. So I want my private property.
Come on.
Step up.
Literally. I will. Okay?
Get a statement form. She's going to fill out a statement to what just happened, and that she did not want her here, and what all was going on inside. So if we have domestic charges too, we're going to do that too.
Okay.
And then she's going to catch agbat and resisting.
Okay.
Are you coming up to the PD with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Give me just a moment. Let me see if this actually works. I appreciate you.
Yeah, I just wanted to say something. So.
77. Just wait out there till I get there.
Chance. I said today, she got her taxes, and I said, if you can stop,
Just real quick, okay, honey? What's her last name?
Nosset, Nossett. She does the same thing to me. I mean, she pushes on me. She's mean to my dog. She crippled my cat.
What's her first name? BROK.
Yes.
Middle initial? Straight upstairs.
Oh, cut that crying out. Big baby. You wasn't crying when you was beating on your mama.
Oh, we're going in there?
Right in here.
Okay.
That's right.
Yeah. A little cage. Eat for real.
Are you kidding me right now?
Okay.
Ooh, they gonna get you together.
Guys, together.
I'm sorry, it's PTSD.
No,
That's
it's
not.
not PTSD. That's an intentional act.
No, I'm not acting, I promise.
Now you're catching ag
I
assault, too.
promise. I promise you. An assault?
That's right.
An assault?
You
Why
intentionally
can't you
came
calm
at
me
my
down?
officer. Spread your feet out.
That's fine. That's fine.
I know it is.
Why can't you calm me down? Why can't you?
Brooke, we've tried.
We did. We were trying to.
My mom is my biggest
And then you
trigger. I'm
decided it was a good idea to put hands on me. So
No, you just put your hands on me. Can I write a statement?
I did.
I want a statement.
You're right, because you
Yes,
were
I
coming
want a
at my
statement.
officer.
I want a statement. I'm pressing charges against
Great.
you. Yes, I'm writing.
You can give the
I do.
statement to the state's attorney.
Okay, I will.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you. I will. I will.
Come on, Brooke. Cut it out.
That pocket.
I know, and I put everything
Okay.
back in there.
No, I
So
didn't
now I
know.
have to take it back out.
I didn't know. I'm sorry. I'm numb. I'm numb.
Hold it together, Brooke. Be strong, Brooke. You gonna be all right.
Pick up that thing. Right now, I just gotta let it drop.
When we take the cuffs off is when we will print her. If she refuses to be printed, then she will go to county.
Yeah, don't play that in the county. Them COs don't play that, boy.
Let's get a bag or something. Get a Walmart bag. Just throw everything in there.
The suspect, Brooke N. Nosset, was charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer, a Class 2 felony, and resisting arrest, a Class A misdemeanor.
Yeah, be easy. Don't be doing all that crying. Stand strong. You was standing strong up against your mama. Stand tall. You was standing tall against your mama. All right now. But yeah, I think the officers did a pretty good job, honestly. Yeah, it's tough being inside the house. Like, I know officers don't like going inside the homes just because it's a lot going on there, especially like that home right there. Wasn't a lot of space or anything like that to move, so like everyone feels like they're on top of each other, where actually separating them and giving space is the best thing to do. But anyway, I think given the circumstances, they did a pretty good job. They get a 4 out of 5 from me. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.